So, hi everyone, I am Saloni. I am a 19-year-old student at NIT Jalandhar in civil engineering, and this video is going to be the things that I wish I knew as a first year student. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Simply, they have called me a lot of times. I know when you are going to think that I'm being very self-centered, but the thing is, and इतनी सारी चीजें हो चुकी है ना कि I simply do not like to respond to their calls or messages, even if that means we are in the same group or same class. I seriously do not care. If you are not my friend, I'm not going to pick up your call. If there is something urgent, you can just text me normally. But call at 10 p.m, I would not answer that. Sorry if this sounds mean, but this is what it is. Like, do you know what kind of things me and my friends get to hear? You know what she got to hear? A mutual friend of ours, she told her कि ब्रो तुम्हें पता भी है हर जगह तुम्हारी चर्चा हो रही है कि तुम आजकल क्या कर रहे हो, कि तुम किधर क्या कर रहे हो. एंड द मोमेंट आई गॉट टू हियर दिस आई वाज लाइक ब्रो, मतलब भाई किसी की लाइफ इतनी रफ एंड इतनी ड्राई कैसे हो सकती है कि दे हैव टू नो अबाउट अदर पीपल्स बिजनेस रादर देन माइंडिंग देयर ओन बिजनेस. Seriously, I am not even kidding. The things that have been going insane in the second year, incredible. First year me would have never thought कि इतना सब कुछ होगा second year में. But it's the survival of the fittest, so I have to evolve. And now I am no longer the girl you can look down on. I know कि some of my viewers are those people who are going to get into the college very soon. This is the piece of advice I would like to give from my end. कि when you enter college, put yourself on a pedestal. Put yourself on a pedestal. No one should look down on you. Everybody should look up to you. Like, what do you want to be called? Being a bit chari? Seriously? Or being that girl no one dares to shout on or yell at? The moment you get this much of disrespect, immediately respond back. And if it is coming from losers, then उनको एक बार समझाओ, दो बार समझाओ. Other than that, simply cut these kind of people off, because and just do not respond to them. These people, they just would do everything just to get a reaction out of it. They would literally create a lot of chaos around you just so they can get your reaction, and you have to make sure that you do not give them any kind of reaction. Also, be very aware of who you are sharing your problems with. Like, if this person is your friend, make sure कि उनका कोई ऐसा friend ना हो कि जिसको वो बातें बताए, and that who is know your friend. Like, my friend is A's friend is B, but B is not my friend. But A is sharing my things with B, then you are not a good friend to me. I said what I said. I just realized my background was a bit messy. And then these kind of peoples, they're your secret enemy. I know it hurts, but they are. And then they would try to do every single thing just to make sure that you suffer at the end of the day. And the moment you start to do something other than your academics, or even in academics, try to do something, a lot of people will try to drag you down, and it's your responsibility that you do not let them. You do not let them pull you down. The third piece of advice that I would like to give is associate yourself with good people and the people that have ambitions and goals in their life. People whose whole life is not their academic things, because these kind of people जिनकी पूरी life ही is their academic score, it is going to be so draining to you. They will drain you to so much of the level. It's not going to be demotivating, but it's the thing कि when you're trying to do something in extracurriculars, they might, but ये सब तो बाद में काम ही नहीं आएगा. सच तो पढ़ ही लेती हूँ मैं. I'm not saying कि they are doing this to pull you down और कि तुम कुछ ना करो. Maybe it's their concern, but seriously, आप उनको एक बार बोल सकते हो, दो बार बोल सकते हो, 50 बार बोल सकते हो, but after that you cannot convince anyone. But you should know कि तुम्हारे goals क्या है. Is it academics? Is it extracurricular? Or is it like literally everything? You have to align yourself into that manner. कि किसी के भी external words, they simply do not affect you. In college, a lot of people are going to be invested into other people's stuff. Like, I am not even kidding. Like, even this is the thing in the hostels as well. In the hostels, people are going to come up to you and they're going to ask you about you and your friends' things and basically everyone's things, but you have to make sure that you do not reveal anyone's thing being a good friend. It's your responsibility. The fourth kind of people are the people who are so much your people. So basically these people are your second home. They have that mindset that we are going to grow together, we are going to glow together, we are going to do everything. There is like no jealousy or no competition, and I feel so happy for the people who have these kind of friends. And fortunately I'm also lucky in this aspect. I have these kind of friends ki no jealousy, and I feel bad for those people ki jo apne friends ke sath aise karte hain and then they have this secret hidden jealousy and competition. I'm so away from this stuff. The next thing that you should not fall for is a friend to all is a friend to none. This is going so crazy on the internet right now कि a friend to all is a friend to none. अगर तुम सबके साथ अच्छे हो then you are worst person to exist on earth. So let me tell you, ये partially सही है. This is not fully correct. If A is my friend, B is my friend. A and B are friends as well. But unfortunately, A is closer to me, and A is telling me to cut off ties with B. Let's not add it. Now in college, you cannot be friends with everyone, but you can ensure that you are not having beef with anyone. Make sure you are not on bad terms with anyone, and interact with as many people as you can. I've tried this in my second year. I have started interact with as many people as you can, because it is going to broaden your perspective. It is going to change your thoughts on life and everything. And the next thing that I would like to say is get enrolled in clubs. Go get yourself enrolled in clubs. They can be core clubs related to your academics, the coding clubs maybe, or maybe like other clubs, activity clubs, cultural team work wale club, or it can be any club. It is going to build you connections, and I am not even lying. You definitely need to have connection. When you will enter your second year, you will realize ki how important it is to have connections. The next thing is ki never be on bad terms with your teachers or professors. Professors, they have too much of power that they can literally spoil your career if you do them wrong. I have seen a lot of people who literally they use so cheap words for the professors. Like, see, a lot of professors, they are highly educated, but sometimes some professors, their teaching style, that might not suit a lot of students, and then those students they proceed to add very degrading terms for the professors, which is seriously crap. Not liking a particular professor is okay, but yelling at them and simply using abusive terms for them, it literally shows who you are. So do not have any kind of fight with your professors. And the next piece of advice I would like to give is do not cut off ties with your school friends or your coaching friends. I'm telling you, when you are going to enter college, your college friend will know about your life. And it will be a time कि तुम्हें लगेगा कि your college friends are your everything and your school friends, they are not that close anymore. But it is your reminder that you have to go talk to your school friends, if not daily, at least once a week. You have to tell them everything, like what's going on around. Because when you are in college, तो तुम्हारे school के friends ही ऐसे होंगे who will be very much concerned about you rather than your college friends. And I am telling you, do not share your problems with literally everyone you think you as your friend, because 70% of people, they're happy that you have this problem, and the rest 30%, they simply don't give a damn. So your school friends are going to be the blessing that is going you can look up to, and they're basically going to give the most unhinged and the most solid advice. If उनका खुद का link होगा ही नहीं, तो they are going to help you out just like they are helping themselves. And then a lot of people, they are so much concerned about ki, like, does CGPA actually matter? So let me give you the clarity about it. So CGPA, it does matter. CGPA is something, but it is not everything. In my opinion, ki जिसकी CG लगभग 8 होगी, but they are so much into extracurriculars and they are doing well apart from academics as well, much better rather than a person जिसकी no the CG है, but they have no outside world. So that is more important. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम लिटरली अपने रूम में लॉक होकर बैठ गए हो फर्स्ट ईयर में. फर्स्ट ईयर इज द ईयर टू एक्सप्लोर. गो डू द थिंग दैट यू हैव ऑलवेज वांटेड टू. आर्ट है आर्ट करो, डांस है डांस करो, सिंगिंग है सिंगिंग करो, कोई स्पोर्ट है गो प्ले दैट स्पोर्ट. जस्ट डू इट. दैट इज टाइम टू डू. जस्ट डू इट. बिकॉज अगर तुम्हारा दिल खुश है यू विल बी एबल टू फोकस सो मच बेटर. टेलिंग यू कि a lot of people they are so much into like कि बट मेरी सीजी गिर जाएगी इसलिए मैं तो नहीं कर रही एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स में. एंड बट देन दे गेट into the negative stuff like drinking, smoking. People do get, I'm sorry to break this, but a lot of people they get into this zone of getting drunk and smoking. It is a thing in colleges. And I'm not even lying, even in NITs, IITs, it is a thing. Do not think you are going to IIT, you are going to NIT. Just know कि drinking, smoking वहाँ पे होगा. You have to make sure कि you are not associated with these kind of people. And the next thing is कि your circle, it should be very neat and clean. And last but not the least, you are going to survive engineering. If I can survive college, you definitely can, because you do not know कि कितनी insane चीजें they have been going on around from the past 2 years, and I'm still solid. I'm still stiff. I'm still strong.